Are you struggling to find quality leads for your custom kitchen cabinet service in 2025? Tired of wasting money on ads that don't convert? You're not alone. But today, I'll show you a step-by-step plan to attract more clients, boost your local visibility, and grow your business faster than ever before. If you're ready to stop chasing leads and start getting customers who are eager to work with you, stay tuned. This video is packed with practical, actionable strategies just for you. Alright, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Understand your ideal customer. Before you even think about marketing, you need to know who you're trying to reach. Ask yourself, are you targeting homeowners looking for a luxury kitchen upgrade? Are you working with builders and developers? Maybe it's young families wanting a functional and stylish space. Create a customer profile, understand their needs, their income range, their tastes, and even their preferred social media platforms. When you're crystal clear about who you want to attract, it becomes a lot easier to craft messages that resonate and convert. Step 2. Build a high-converting website optimized for 2025 trends. In 2025, your website is still your digital storefront. But simply having a website isn't enough anymore. You need a fast, mobile-friendly, and visually stunning site that instantly builds trust. Here's what your website must include: professional portfolio with high-quality images of your custom kitchen cabinet projects, client testimonials with real stories, and, if possible, video reviews. Clear call to actions like request a free quote or schedule a free consultation. SEO optimization, sprinkle keywords like custom kitchen cabinet service and get more leads for kitchen cabinet business naturally into your content. And remember, every second counts. Your website should load in under 3 seconds. Step 3. Dominate local SEO for custom kitchen cabinet service. If someone searches custom kitchen cabinets near me, your business should be one of the first results. How? Google My Business. Set up and optimize your profile. Add fresh photos weekly, gather reviews, and post updates about your projects. Local keywords. Use phrases like custom kitchen cabinets in your city, across your website and blog posts. Local backlinks. Partner with real estate agents, interior designers, and home improvement blogs to get backlinks from reputable local sites. Pro tip: create service area pages for the different neighborhoods you serve. This multiplies your chances of showing up in local searches. Step 4. Leverage social proof and reviews. In 2025, people crave authenticity more than ever. They want to see real results from real customers. After every completed project, ask your clients for a quick review. Make it easy by sending them a direct link. Video testimonials are even more powerful, and you can use them across your website, social media, and ads. And don't be shy to share your success stories. Before and after photos, behind-the-scenes videos, and client interviews create massive trust and interest. Step 5. Create powerful content to build authority. Content marketing is still king in 2025, but it's all about relevance and value. Here are some content ideas. How-to videos. How to choose the best custom cabinets for your kitchen. Blog posts. Top 5 kitchen cabinet trends in 2025. Client case studies. Showcase your past projects step by step. Use your content to educate your audience. When you position yourself as an expert, people naturally trust you and want to work with you. Remember to insert your main keywords like kitchen cabinet service naturally in these contents without sounding spammy. Step 6. Run targeted ads smartly. Paid ads can still be effective, but in 2025, targeting is everything. Instead of throwing money at Facebook or Google blindly, create ultra-targeted campaigns. Facebook and Instagram ads. Target homeowners aged 30-60 in specific zip codes. Google ads. Use long-tail keywords like affordable custom kitchen cabinets in city. Keep your ad visuals clean and aspirational. Showcase beautiful finished kitchens and always include a strong call to action like get your free design consultation today. Step 7. Offer limited time promotions and incentives. People love a good deal and a sense of urgency. Offer seasonal promotions like Spring Kitchen Refresh, 10% off custom cabinets. Book in May and get a free upgrade to premium wood finishes. Just make sure the promotions are genuine and limited. Scarcity motivates people to act faster. Step 8. Network with related local businesses. In 2025, collaboration is a secret weapon. Partner with home remodeling contractors, real estate agents, interior designers, appliance stores. Create referral programs where you send each other clients. A simple preferred partner page on your website, showcasing these businesses and them showcasing you, can drive a consistent flow of new leads. Step 9. Use email marketing to stay top of mind. Once you get a lead, whether they're ready to buy now or not, keep them warm with email marketing. Send them design tips, customer success stories, new cabinet style releases, limited time offers. Use simple, engaging language. Don't spam. Send quality emails just twice a month to stay relevant without being annoying. Step 10. Track your metrics and adjust. You can't improve what you don't measure. Use free tools like Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and Facebook Insights to track website visitors, leads generated, conversion rates, ad performance. Double down on what's working. Cut out what isn't. Marketing is not a set it and forget it game. It's a living system you need to keep optimizing. If you found these tips helpful and you're excited to generate more high-quality leads for your custom kitchen cabinets service in 2025, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want more step-by-step strategies to grow your business, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because you don't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.